Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Illustration by Shishmita Chaudhary. In this video, I will show you how to draw your own fashion croquis step by step. Draw a straight line of 6 inch and 6 boxes. Now we will mark the points for the face, which is 6 boxes. From head on 1 inch, we will mark our shoulder line. From shoulder point, mark half inch down for the chest point. One inch plus 1 box shoulder to waist. Now we will mark our crotch point, which is waist to crotch 7 boxes. Crotch to knee point is 1.5 inches. Knee to ankle, which is 1.5 inch, we will get our ankle point. Take center of face, mark 2 boxes each side. One inch plus 1 box for shoulder line. 6.5 box for chest line. For waistline, 5 boxes. From the crotch point, mark 1 box up for the hip line. Make 1 inch line for the hip line. 3.5 box for knee. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.